Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing a short little video on how to install rain guards on your car. Now, when I got this, I was hoping that it was one of those rain guards where you could tuck inside the pillars. I guess it's the pillars, like tuck inside. I've seen those and I prefer those because these rain guards, the ones that you tape on, they come off after maybe 2 years. I've noticed they come off after 2 years, and this is normally the way that I normally put rain guards on most of my vehicles, because I just assume that if you put the rain guards inside the window assembly, that when you roll it up or when it goes up, it's gonna cause some issues with it rolling up. But if you guys know that to not be a fact, and I'm sure that's not a fact because I've seen them on various vehicles, when I got these, I was hoping that these were exact to the window so that I could actually just pop it in on the inside and not have to worry about it. Now, I don't know too much about rain guards or car modding. Well, this is not really car modding, but car putting these rain guards on. As far as, different types of rain guards and stuff like that, if you guys know, just put a comment in the comment section if they are more expensive customized rain guards that you could get. But I bought these off of eBay, and they weren't cheap actually, these rain guards for the Infiniti QX60. Even the off-brand ones, and I would consider these off-brands, they're around 40 bucks, I think, maybe 30 or something like that. I'm not quite sure 100%, but in any way, these are the tape up ones. And if you guys don't know how to do it, obviously you guys see that the orange ribbon you guys take off. Once you guys take off, you guys just follow the curvature of the door and just tape it. Now, unfortunately, for some like this, there's a gap because there's a trim here, and it doesn't compensate for the gap on here. The other one doesn't compensate for the gap either. And I was thinking maybe I would not put on the rain guard, and instead maybe I'll just wait and buy some double stick tape as gap filler. There's a foam double stick tape for gap filling. But I was thinking, you know what, I think it'll hold good enough up to maybe this section. It'll hold up good enough. But it is what it is. I was thinking maybe not to do it, maybe to return these, because like I said, they always, for the most part, they always fall off after a year or two. And what you guys want to do when you guys first put it on is you guys want to press it as much as possible, and have it stick on as much as possible. And you guys definitely want to clean. I use some wipes to clean the dirt off. You don't want it to sticking to any dirt, and you guys really want to get it as you want to get it the first time around. On this with the curvature, I actually had to take it off a little bit and then put it back on. But I'm sure that's not a good thing to do, because it's gonna just it's just gonna what's the term I'm looking for? If you guys know the term I'm looking for, it's gonna dilute the tape. No, it's not gonna dilute the tape. It's gonna cause it not to stick as good. That's what I'm saying. If you guys have done this, leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys know of that whole difference between custom made rain guards, where it actually fits into the the door, drop a comment. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. If you're not a member of the channel, definitely consider subscribing. I appreciate all your support. Please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.